Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Terry. If you aren't already subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you can see all of our videos. We post 2 times a week. Today I wanted to do sort of a soft glam kind of springtime makeup look. It is a really crappy outside. We've had freezing rain, we've had snow. It's just, spring does not seem to be anywhere in sight, and we need to summon the spring and the summer. We need some warm weather here, so I came up with this look. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can see all future content. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already started by doing my eyebrows, and I cleaned up everything with my concealer, and then I set everything with a translucent powder so it'll make blending much easier. I'm going to go in to my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Ooh, really close up. And I'm going to start off with this shade right here. It's called Georgia. It's a really matte light pink color, and I'm going to take a super fluffy brush and put that into my crease as a transition shade. And I want this to be really soft, really soft and kind of diluted color. I don't want a whole lot of pigment there. This is literally just to aid in the transition into the brow. So I have to really do all of my crease work and my transitions pretty far above my actual crease, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see it. So that is this color. Okay, so next I'm going to take a much more dense kind of crease brush, and I'm going to go into this one right here called Puree, and I'm going to put that onto the inner corner and the outer corner. So I'm going to start on this outer corner and just start placing it right into that outer V. And blend it into that pink shade. So next I'm going to use that exact same brush, and I'm going to go into this, oops, that's upside down, this shade right here called Summer Yum, and we're going to pack it on the exact same spots. We're just going to concentrate a little bit deeper in that corner to really add more dimension and depth into those inner and outer corners. Okay, so I'm just using the exact same brush, and I'm just going to go in to darken up that corner a little bit more. Alright, so then I'm going to take a much smaller detailed brush, and I'm going to go into our last shade for the inner and outer corner, and that is this one right here, and it is called Charmed, I'm sure. So we're going to take that one, oh my goodness, take that one and deepen up those inner and outer corners even more. Alright, so now I'm going to go back with my big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Peaches and Cream, this one right here, and I'm going to be putting that just above this crease and transition to help me blend it out a little bit. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my chocolate gold palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of this one here, which is called Classy and Sassy, and a tiny bit of this one up here, focus, which is called Rich Girl. And I'm going to use my finger to dab those right onto the center of the lid. And then I'm going to go back into my little brush that I was using to apply those colors, and I'm going to help to blend them together and make that transition nice and smooth. Okay, so next I'm going to put on my lashes, and I have the DoDo Lashes in style 320. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on, and we will finish up the eye look. I'm actually going to curl my lashes first and then put the lashes on, because I don't really want to get mascara all over my new eyelashes. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes first, put on mascara, and then maybe my lash glue will be tacky by then. Okay, so the glue is still a little bit, it's not gone clear yet, so we will work on the rest of the face and then move back to finish the eyes. Alright, so to finish off the eye, I'm going to take those same matte shades that we used on the inner and outer corners, and I'm going to dust those into the lower lash line. And I'm going to start with the lighter shade and then work my way up. So this was the lightest shade that I used. And I'm going to go into the darker one. And I do my under eye shadow mostly on the outer corner just because I have kind of closed set eyes. And I want to really elongate them and not have them so closed off and round looking. I want them more, you know what I mean? So the last color is that dark brown. Again, just layering these colors. Alright. And then last step, some mascara on these lower lashes, and we are done. Alright guys, so there is the finished look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that bell to see all future content. Thanks guys. Bye.